Where did the roll pin go? If you've ever worked with automotive keys at all, there's a good possibility you've asked yourself when trying to take a blade out of a flip key like this, where did that darn roll pin go? Now, you can get down on your hands and knees, look around for it, and with any little bit of luck, maybe find it. Ooh, here it is. Nope, that's a fingernail. Or you can be prepared and have extras on hand. And well, that's where this replacement roll pin and screw assortment comes in handy. It has 7 of the most common sizes of roll pins that you're going to see in flip type keys today, as well as the little screws that are found on Honda, Lexus, Toyota remote keys. So we can sit here and keep talking about it, or even better, let's take the camera, let's put it on top here, and let's have a little bit of fun. All right, so today we're gonna be working on this GM flip key. As you can see, there's no blade in it. Let's pretend we took the other one out. Maybe we lost the roll pin, it went flying, and we couldn't find it. So what we have here is a new key blade that we need to put in and a roll pin. All right, so here's kind of a more up close look at the kit. A bunch of different sizes. I'll show you here. Little second there, and then here's the screws on this side. And it's gonna list the sizes on top of the whole thing here to kind of help you out, keep them organized. Now, is what we're gonna be doing. So a lot of times when you're gonna replace it and you can't find it, you're just gonna have to literally pick and find one, and then try putting it in the hole here and seeing what one will start to go in that's maybe not too wiggly. So as you can tell, that one kind of will go in. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to put the key in like so. All right, then we have to put the roll pin in. Now, a little tip, something I like to do to kind of help me get it started, although you could see I could kind of get it on there and get it started, or kind of get it to hold in place. I really wanna get it so I can start to actually put it in without too much of a fight. Always the hard part I found is just that first initial get it going. So I like to just take the very tip, all right, just the very tip of one of the sides here, and I like just to take some pliers, and I like to just kind of crimp it down. And I kind of crimp it one way than the other. Now by doing that and getting it set up, it's gonna allow me to kind of get it put in here and stabilized as I go to crimp it on. Although crimp's probably not the best word, press it through would be a better term. So I'm gonna be using these flip key pin removal tool. It's a very basic, inexpensive tool here. I'll put a link in the notes below, you can check it out. And so I got it put on here. I got the pushing pin put in. I'm gonna get it put on here. Try to do an angle that you can see. How about that? All right, so we'll get it kind of aligned, and we'll just start pressing it in. There we go. I think we're good. We're good on both sides. And that's how you can replace it. So instead of looking around all day trying to find the pin that dropped, having this kit, it's super inexpensive, is really helpful. All right, so there you have it. I tell you what, this really inexpensive roll pin and screw kit can really save the bacon when you're working on a customer key. Like always, I will put a link in the notes below where you can check this product out and also the flip key pin removal tool. And of course, I would love to know what you think or any tips and tricks that you can add in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Where'd that roll pin go? Ooh. Nope, that's a fingernail. Man, where'd that roll pin go? Ooh, here it is. That's a fingernail, ew. No, don't do it, I gotta do more serious than that, Lily. All right. Man, where's that roll pin at? Where in the world did that roll pin go? Ooh, here it is. Nope, that's a fingernail. Hopefully one of those works. All right. Roll pins. Let's do this. Hey, before you go, I want to make sure that you know to include the hashtag Lockboss when you comment on our videos, and you automatically get hooked up to win free stuff that we give away each and every week. Tune in live here on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and find out who the lucky winners are. I'm rooting for you. I'll see ya.